In Iowa news, the Iowa Supreme Court heard oral arguments Thursday over Iowa's nearly 6-week abortion law. The law has yet to go into effect after a district court temporarily blocked it soon after Republicans passed it in last July. The law would ban abortions at nearly 6 weeks, with some exceptions including rape, incest, fetal abnormalities, and if the mother's life is at risk. State House reporter Skylar Talal is in Des Moines breaking down both sides of the argument.
Iowa's highest court hears from both parties Thursday as they decide whether to reverse a temporary ban on Iowa's so-called fetal heartbeat law, a law that passed here at the State House 9 months ago. Attorney General Brenna Byrd's office arguing on Governor Reynolds' behalf that the abortion ban be reinstated, while Planned Parenthood and the Emma Goldman Clinic say it should remain blocked as the law makes its way through the legal process. The state says blocking the law was a mistake and that Iowa has a vital interest in protecting unborn human life.
Every justice on this court has recognized that the state plays a vital role in protecting unborn life, which is why, for the second time, they enacted a law protecting unborn life from the point at which a fetal heartbeat can be detected.
Meanwhile, the petitioners say the district court's ruling is right because Iowans would suffer irreparable harm if the law went into effect.
That's what's at stake in this case. It's Iowans' ability to make decisions, private and personal medical decisions, to exercise bodily autonomy.
Part of the main discussion revolves around the level of scrutiny justices should be applying to the law. Because a previous Iowa Supreme Court ruling says there's no fundamental right to an abortion, the state is asking the court to adopt a rational basis review.
And holds that rational basis is the proper standard of review. The state is confident that this law, which was duly enacted by the legislature and is entitled to the presumption of constitutionality, will survive that review.
However, Planned Parenthood attorneys believe laws restricting abortion should face the undue burden test. So for now, they only want Iowa's highest court to decide whether the district court was right in temporarily blocking the law.
A lot of the arguments haven't been developed yet, and so we would hope for an opportunity to go back down to the district court and explain to the district court why this ban is so awful and why it's unconstitutional, what the constitutional standard should be, and why the Iowa Constitution should continue to protect the right to abortion.
While Iowans wait on the Supreme Court to make a decision, which is expected to come in June, they can still receive an abortion up to 20 weeks. In Des Moines, Skylar Talal reporting.